Hey guys, William Murfitt here, and today I'm dying of hay fever.
I know you don't love me like you say you do.
Yeah, I'm struggling big time. But on a positive, I have had some deliveries, which is fantastic. They come in the shape of these. So I've been waiting 3 weeks for these because they didn't have any of the heater taps anodized. I apologise for my voice because it's bad. No, put these back on so I can see. So this is my DSN heater tap to replace the old style heater hose or the heater valve. And I've also got a Linkpipe, I think it's called a Linkpipe, to go from the top hose of the water pump to the heater hose that goes into the car. So today we're going to get them installed, and yeah, should be quite easy. So today's a huge milestone because today I hit 500 subscribers, and it is such an amazing feeling. I am so happy. Unfortunately, I'm struggling with hay fever, but I am absolutely buzzing. So thank you all so much for the support, the love, the comments, the likes. It all really means a lot. Hopefully, we can keep going now, and the channel can keep continuing to grow. So I am quite close to get this car started, and it's exciting times ahead. So if you are new to the channel and you want to consider subscribing, click down below and hit that subscribe button. So let's get cracking on with this work. So this is the heater valve, and what's happened recently is there's some cheap ones being made, and the front of these are popping out, or they leak or they crack. This one here in particular, the cable that comes from the push pull from my old cable, actually the bolt snapped, so that's sort of stuck in there. So I've replaced the cable, but in order to get this, it's quite difficult to drill it out, so chances are it'll be a new valve. But because I've seen so many people have issues with them recently, I've upgraded and I've gone for this DSN one. I've already got it all prepped up. So that there tap goes on like that. The gasket's already been on there. So that's the heater valve now installed. And the next part, which might be a little bit tricky to see, is this Linkpipe. So that goes onto this. So that's going to go onto this pipe here, which is attached to the top of the bottom hose. that is on. So there is the new pipe, fitted in with the Jubilee clip. Now the heater hose will come from here, loop up and then go onto there. That's that section done, and the other side comes out from the bulkhead over here and then onto the heater tap, which is just the other side of this. Off camera, what else have I done? So last night off camera I fitted up the fan belt. I've also fitted up the top radiator bracket. The upper hose is on as well, but I just need to cut this down to size. So that's going to come out probably to about where my thumb is, be chopped down, and that can be mounted up as well. And then apart from changing the wiring down here for where the starter solenoid used to be, this engine bay, apart from oil as well, is pretty much ready. So it's getting there. I'm pretty hyped to get it started, but it's a little bit way off, and everything I do seems to have a bit of a setback, so we keep plodding on. Now, as much as I want to, I can't fit the heater hoses just yet. Well, I guess I can. I've been waiting for a heater matrix now for a number of days. It was supposed to be delivered to me on the 12th from FedEx. The driver at FedEx is adamant that he's tried to deliver. It went on to premium service this morning, which was guaranteed to be with me before 12 AM or 12 PM lunchtime, and I'm still waiting, and it's like 7 o'clock. So I'll be getting back on the phone to them and kicking off royally tomorrow, or probably Monday now. But it's such a pain, you know, you're waiting for parts, things get held up. So I can't put any coolant in there till I've got the heater matrix done, and that's going to be in another video if it arrives. But yeah, I'm pretty happy. Just a really short one tonight. Oh, as you can see, I put the engine crane away, and I'm dead. The DSN stuff is fantastic. It's all fitted. I need to fit the rocker cover once I've done the valve clearances. Once the valve clearances are done, there's no reason really, other than the wiring, that I couldn't turn the key and fire it up. It's a very exciting time, and hopefully I'll get there very soon. But as you can see, my eye, God, that's bad. Look at the state of that. Ugh, that's proper pink eye there. Yeah. Ugh. So yeah, if you've got hay fever, you know how I feel. But I'm plodding on. So I'm going to call it a night. As I say, just a quick one. But if you have enjoyed the video, as always, please click the thumbs up button, comment down below, and if you can, subscribe to the channel so you don't miss out on any future content. That is it from me, and hopefully I'll be back again very soon with another episode on my classic Mini, and feeling a lot better. Thanks for watching, guys, and I'll see you soon.